This is where your salary went. Concrete, steel, servers. Now let me show you what this looks like for real people. All right, let me show you what this looks like for real people. I want you guys to stay with me on this segment. Let's make this real because numbers are one thing, people are another. I want to tell you about 4 people, same market, same job market, different strategies and different outcomes. Let's start with Modi. Modi Khan worked at Microsoft for 5 years. Many of you guys, if you've been on this channel long enough, you've heard the name before. You've seen the stories before. I came across him on Business Insider, okay? Modi Khan. This is Modi Khan right here with the glasses where my mouse is on the screen, okay? See this article this morning? Sorry, laid off big tech workers, your brand name resumes aren't a golden ticket anymore. Well, Modi Khan is a gentleman with the glasses on. He got laid off in December of 2024. That's over a year ago. Here's what he told Business Insider this week. He said, I've depleted much of my savings in fear I could lose my home. 5 years at Microsoft, savings gone, afraid of losing his house. And here's what he said about the job market. He says, it feels like recruiters are looking for Superman. I want you guys to type Modi if you feel that. Type it in the chat, okay? This is a 5-year Microsoft veteran, brand name on his resume, and he can't get hired. Business Insider talked to dozens of laid off workers this week. Here's what they found. Tech job postings down 33% from 2020. One person said he applied to 100 jobs, 0 interviews. Another said every job posting gets 400 applicants, 400 for one role. The brand name that used to open doors like Microsoft, Meta, Facebook, Oracle, it's not working anymore. But here's the thing. Some people are breaking through. Let me tell you about Deborah. Deborah Henderson worked at Microsoft for 14 years. She got laid off. Same market as Modi. The one in the middle is Deborah Henderson. Many of you guys probably heard this story before too. What did she do different? Well, she started a Discord group for other laid off colleagues. She built a community. Someone in that community gave her a referral. 2 months later, she landed at Meta. Same market, different strategy, different outcome. Here's what she said. Quote, it's so helpful to have the support of other people who are going through it. Deborah, she didn't apply to 500 jobs alone. She built a network and the network delivered. I want you guys to type community if you're building your network. That's what we're doing on this channel. That's what we're doing on these live streams. That's what we're doing in the Patreon. It's building a community. Type it in the chat if you're building a community. Now let me tell you about Jide, okay? Let me go to Jide. This is a good one right as well. Jide is in here. Here's Jide. Jide out of Bawele worked for the federal government. Took the buyout last year. Started looking for jobs in New York City. He assumed New York would have plenty of opportunities. Millions of jobs for millions of job seekers, right? New York gonna have a whole bunch of jobs. Well, he was wrong. He read an article that said New York City didn't add any new jobs in the first half of the year. The market was frozen. So what did he do? He expanded his search nationwide. First to Philadelphia, then to Chicago, then the Sun Belt. Phoenix, Houston, Nashville. The responses started coming. He ended up landing a role in Northern Virginia at a tech company as a compensation analyst. Here's what he said about the lesson. Going where opportunity is has been one of the most reliable ways to create a new path forward. His parents moved from Nigeria, then moved multiple times within the US. They went where their work was. City preference came second. I want you guys to type mobility if you're willing to relocate for the right opportunity. Type it in the chat. That's the mindset, guys. Now, the fourth person that I want to tell you about is in this community, okay? The fourth person is in this community. We got someone in the Daily Climb community building a governance first RAG ingestion platform. For those who don't know, RAG is how you connect AI to your own data. It's the infrastructure layer. This person isn't applying for jobs. They are building the tools. We got another community member running tech talk sessions every single Thursday, teaching what they learned, giving back. That is what positioning looks like. Not waiting for permission, building while others wait. One of our community members said something on Saturday that stuck with me. I'd rather make $50K a month with a $5K electric bill than $3K a month with a $400 bill. It actually wasn't this weekend. It was actually on Tuesday while there was some chats going on. My man Kamal said that. That's the mindset shift. And someone else in the chat said this: blue collar is the new white collar. I want you guys to write all this down. So here's the pattern. Modi, let's go back to Modi, guys. Go back to Modi. He's Modi Khan right here. 5 years at Microsoft. Applying a loan. Savings depleted. Deborah, who you see in the middle right there, 14 years at Microsoft, built a community, landed in 2 months. Jai, the federal worker who we just showed on the screen here. This is Jai. All right. Federal worker, expanded his geography, landed in Northern Virginia. We got community members building tools, teaching others, creating leverage. Same market, different strategies, different outcomes. Here's the lesson. Modi's mistake wasn't his performance. It was his strategy. He applied to 100 jobs alone. Deborah built a human coordination layer, a network. The network delivered. That's not luck. That is positioning, guys. That is called positioning. Now, let me show you where the jobs are actually going, and it's not where you think. All right. Remember that 135 billion that Meta is spending? Where does it go? It goes to data centers, and data centers need workers. Let me show you where the money is. All right. Let me show you another video here. This is where the money is, guys. Take a look at this. This is Ashburn, Virginia, Loudoun County. They call it Data Center Alley. Look at those buildings. Gray, windowless, ugly, but profitable. Highest concentration of data centers in the country. Phoenix, Arizona, Austin, Texas, Columbus, Ohio, Dallas, Texas. These are the hubs. Remember Jai that we talked about earlier in the show during the case study segment? The federal worker who expanded his search? Where did he land? Northern Virginia. Tech company. Data center hub. Data center technician jobs. 65,000 to 85,000 entry level. Up 140,000. Okay? Up to 140,000 for senior roles. Google pays up to 324,000 for senior data center roles. The jobs aren't disappearing from the economy. They are moving, guys, from corporate offices to data centers, to manufacturing floors, to defense facilities. I want you guys to type opportunity if you see where the pivot's happening. Okay? Type opportunity in the chat. Let me give you the action plan. Okay? Let me give you the action plan. This is important right here. Step 1, if you were laid off, file for unemployment today, not tomorrow, today. Step 2, get OSHA 30-hour certification, $150, 1 week online. This opened doors to data centers, manufacturing, defense and aerospace, construction. Step 3, apply to 40 to 50 roles this week, not next week, this week. Target data center operations, defense aerospace, Boeing, Lockheed Martin, Microsoft Azure infrastructure, Meta data center jobs. The money is moving. You should move with it. All right. And here's the thing. If you want the complete strategy, check out our Patreon, patreon.com/Black Heights. Every Saturday morning, we do live calls. We workshop your specific situation. We talk. We have conversations. We build. We position. Inside the Patreon, you get resume templates. You get networking scripts. Saturdays are for people who are serious about their careers and are about building. Link is in the description of this video, okay? Check it out. Also, if you can't catch the live show every single morning, subscribe to the newsletter. Every weekday, you get a full recap of everything that we covered today. The data, the stories, the strategies delivered straight to your inbox, Monday through Friday, 11:30 a.m. Central. It's automated. I use AI, okay? Let me wrap this up and look ahead. Get to my executive summary here. When I do these shows every single weekday, I like to make sure that I leave you with takeaways from the show. Let me bring it home. 3 things to remember from today. Number 1, the money is moving from salaries to servers. Meta, $135 billion on AI infrastructure, cutting 1,500 workers. Stock is up 10%. Microsoft, $37.5 billion in 1 quarter. Stock down 7% because investors wanted even more AI spending. The capital that used to fund your salary now funds data centers. Number 2, same market, different strategies, different outcomes. Modi, applying a loan, savings depleted. Deborah, built a community, landed in 2 months. Jai, expanded his geography, landed in Northern Virginia from New York. The difference isn't luck, guys, it's strategy. Number 3, and this is the biggest one, no rescue is coming. The Fed held rates, said the economy is on firm footing. 4.4% unemployment is acceptable. You are on your own. Build your own leverage, okay? And if you want to start building that leverage today, download the 2026 Career Protection Playbook. It is absolutely free. You get your AI automation risk zone, the 5 skills that actually matter in 2026, a 30-day quick start action plan, a weekend action plan with 5 specific moves. Plus, you get the Daily Climb newsletter every weekday, full recap in your inbox. Link is in the description. The professionals who survive 2026 aren't waiting for permission. They are building career insurance right now. If today's breakdown was valuable for you, hit like on the video, share it with somebody. If you are new to the channel and haven't hit the subscribe button yet and you like what we're talking about, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We go live Monday through Friday, 7 to 8 a.m. We also have a Patreon, www.patreon.com/Black Heights. We have Saturday morning calls. We have weekly strategy sessions. We have a community of people who are actually building, not just watching. That's our Patreon. A whole bunch of ladder climbers, okay? Link in the description of that as well. And subscribe to the newsletter, full recap of this show every single weekday in your inbox. You don't have to catch every single live show, but the newsletter, read it, you have a full recap of everything that we talked about in this show. Every single thing that we talked about covers the data, the strategies, the stories, all in your inbox at 11:30 a.m. Central. Fully automated.